How to enable dark mode on YouTube PC. Hey everybody, in this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy guide on how to easily turn on the dark mode on YouTube PC. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you want to do is head over to your web browser and search for youtube.com. As you can see, I have my browser on light mode, it's not dark. And if I just head over to my YouTube, it's also light mode. So what you can try to do is once you land on your YouTube homepage, make sure that you are logged into your account and click on your profile icon like this. Now, if you just head over to your settings, as you can see, there is no option to change your settings to dark mode. So instead, what you can try to do is simply tap on your profile, and right below your data in YouTube, you'll have the appearance mode. Just click on it and you have three options. Right now I'm using light theme. If you want it to be dark, you can click on dark theme and it will be converted into dark mode. But there is one other option where you can choose it to be device theme. So use device theme. Right now my device is on dark mode, so I'm using dark mode right now. But if you just turn off the light mode, turn your device into light mode, your YouTube will also be turned into light mode. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.